The first thing that we always need to do within our grain preparation process is taking care of that bin. We've got to make sure that before we start loading that bin, we get it clean and we take care of any adult insects that are remaining. That is through a bin prep treatment. We prefer using Diacon IGR Plus, spraying the walls, treating the cracks and crevices, the aeration floors, the aeration fans, to make sure that we don't have any live insects remaining when we start loading that bin. Diacon IGR Plus is a combination product consisting of an insect growth regulator that provides long-term control, as well as a pyrethroid-based insecticide which will provide adult control of any insects that are in that bin. We talk about utilizing Diacon IGR Plus in what we call our 1+1+1 scenario. That's where we use 1 ounce of Diacon IGR Plus in 1 gallon of water, and that solution will treat 1,000 square feet of bin area. Diacon IGR Plus is a versatile product that can be used both for that bin prep treatment, as well as we can utilize it to treat grain as we're loading that bin.